Before the fall, there was light. The pride lands at sunrise, where water was shared, and every voice belonged. King Orion stood above it all, not because he ruled, but because he protected. At his feet, a cub named Leo, star on his shoulder, trouble in his eyes. The festival of unity, where lion and zebra drank side by side. They called it peace. Shadowmane called it weakness. Shadowmane, hyenas, hundreds. They didn't come to fight. They came to end. King Orion leaped, not to attack, to stand between. And Leo, he was just a cub. But he didn't run. He pushed a zebra calf toward the cliffs, toward safety, toward the edge. The cliff gave way, a hyena's weight, a cub's scream, a father's roar. King Orion reached his paw, inches from hope. Leo fell, into the abyss. And the stars came out early that night to watch a prince become lost. He woke to darkness. No pride rock, no father, just trees. That blocked the moon. He was bruised, alone, a cub with a star. In a world that didn't care, but his eyes, they glowed. Night vision, a gift, or a curse. He stood, shaking, small, and took one step into the dark. Because kings aren't born, they're made. In the dark, he found a teacher, not with teeth, with wings. Every journey has a peak. His was the mountain of destiny, where the air is thin and the truth is clear. Oliver, the owl. Silver feathers, eyes like old gold. Look, Oliver said, the sky is a map. And you, cub, you have the key. Leo looked. For the first time, the stars weren't scary. They were a path. Oliver asked, why do you climb, Leo? For revenge, for a crown. Leo answered, I want to protect my kingdom. That night, the forest didn't call him cub. It called him king. Stillness reveals what motion hides. Leo freezes. The world comes to him. Water remembers every king. Leo drinks. His wounds close. The grotto glows. Wisdom isn't forced. It's reflected. Stars align in still water. Leo understands. You save the teacher. The teacher saves you. Leo blocks the tree. Boomy. You are ready. Boomy sent me. Time to learn how to land. Callie drops from canopy. Training begins. Slow is smooth. Smooth is fast. Callie catches Leo mid-air. Lesson 1. Now, you are the shadow, butterfly on nose. Leo doesn't move. Callie nods. You think like prey and predator now. Leo outmaneuvers Callie. She is impressed. The path home is not straight. Callie maps hyena routes. Leo sees the journey. Sorry, did I miss the meeting? Zuberi crashes in. Clumsy, huge, kind. Presence is a language. Leo feels hyena patrols through the earth. Leaders lift others. Zuberi plus Leo build the bridge. Teamwork wins. That is how you are remembered. Zuberi shows carvings of kings. Leo touches Orion's father. He wasn't alone anymore. Leo crosses, allies watch. Valley opens ahead. Orion sent. The cub lives. Mira recognizes Leo. Hope returns. Intelligence wins wars, not claws. Mira shows Shadowmane's map. Leo learns strategy. Hear what eyes cannot see. Leo tracks hyenas underground. Information is power. Grief is fuel, not chains. Orion, missing. Leo chooses fire over despair. Time to unite the tribes. Meerkat whistles cross miles. Leo has an army. The mountain tests you before it trusts you. Bakri looms. Leo bows. You have your father's heart. Leo stops Boulder Bear Pod. Bakri respects him. Strength without mercy is tyranny. Bagri frees flower. Leo retracts claws. Trust your grip, not your fear. Bakri catches falling Leo. Lesson learned. The mountain stands with you. Bakri pledges, guerrilla troops emerge. Then we feed them. Shadowmane starves them. Leo's jaw sets. We hit it lightning strike. War council. Leo draws plan. Allies nod. Then let them come. To die, Shadowmane rots on throne. Chooses death. If I can't rule it, no one will. Shadowmane burns grasslands. King of ashes. He waited for the sky to speak first. Leo on ridge. Lightning illuminates him. Home, but not the home he remembered. Cracked earth. Dry water holes animals, thin, afraid. Shadowmane's law. The strong drink first. The rest wait. Then they saw him. A mane of gold. A star on his shoulder. Hope doesn't walk, it roars. And it had come home. They met them at the base Scarjaw. Hundreds of hyenas. A wall of teeth and hunger. Go home, cub. Scarjaw cackled. There's nothing left to save. Only ash. Leo looked past him. At the mesa, at the smoke. Then we'll save the ash, he said, and grow something new. Leaders lift others. Zuberi had said. Today, he lifted an army. You couldn't see Callie, you could only see hyenas. Falling, silent, bound. When Leo reached Mira, she was still. Mira, cloudy-eyed. Finally closed. Fire doesn't choose sides. It takes everything. Unless someone stands in its way. Leo was no longer a cub. He stood on the hill. Main starting voice steady. He didn't fight the fire. He led through it. Thousands fled. Thousands lived. That night, the forest didn't call him cub. It called him king. She pointed into the dark. Shortcut, straight to Shadowmane. No guards, no army. Leo stared into the tunnel. The path to the end was here. Alone, Leo climbed past kings on stone. I'm coming, Dad, he whispered. Every lesson walked with him. Chains rattled. In shadow, a voice. My son, Leo ran. Father, at last. They held tight, weeping. You lived. Because of you. No time left. Your father failed. You will too. Shadowmane waits. Orion collapses. Leo alone. Sunset. Pride Rock. The final battle. Not lion versus lion, but tyranny versus unity. Leo and Shadowmane clashed, claw to claw. But behind Leo, the kingdom rose. No, not like him. Same cliff. Leo smiles, chooses different path. Elephants, buffaloes, meerkats, rabbits, birds, every voice he saved, came to fight. He didn't win alone. He won because he was never alone. Shadowmane fell, and the circle began to heal. Leo roared, not in anger, in promise. And the star on his shoulder blazed like the sun. Elder King Orion, older now, stepped forward. He touched Leo's head. Not with a crown, with his paw. You are not my son, he said. You are our king. You are not my son, he said. You are our king. The rivers came back. The trees stood tall, and on Sunstone Mesa, every circle needs a beginning. And sometimes it looks like this, 15 years. That's how long it takes. For a broken valley to breathe again, it's a reminder. The circle was worth saving. A cub with a star became a king. The lost prince was lost no more. The circle was unbroken, and the Pride Lands were home. His name is Leo, and the scar on his shoulder isn't a scar anymore. At night, he gave his light back to the sky. One star for one mark. The circle, unbroken. Some legacies aren't shown. They are felt, in the light, in the stone, in the morning, that always returns. The sun set on one story, and rose on another. The story lives on. Because of you. Like and subscribe for more tales from the Pride Lands.